Hi everyone, my name is Marian Beljakov. I come from Bulgaria and I'm quite happy to work on my projects together with Beston. So far we have done very nice things. It's an amazing company, economically very responsible. Responsiveness is great, and so far everything we have done is perfect. I'm looking forward to working future projects with them. Now we're in the middle of completing one amazing project. We have great new ideas, and I believe in the very future of this company, not only in China but also in Europe, and particularly in Eastern Europe. As we can see, the models, the production, everything is very high level, very high quality. We have been inside the factory many times, and we can see that they pay attention to every detail, to every very small detail of the production process. And now I have great confidence that everything will be fully sustainable with amazing economical business plan. It's not only important to have good quality, it's also important to have excellent communication, because without communication, business is very difficult. And communication with Beston team is on amazing level, and it's extremely easy to work with them. So I would encourage everybody to work with Beston, as I have been very happy, and I plan to work on many other projects with them.